Today we'll be making something I like to call a prayer sandwich in Pancake Art. So each piece of the sandwich will follow the pattern of the Lord's Prayer. So I've taught my kids the Lord's Prayer, which is a pattern for prayer that Jesus gave his disciples. I really wanted to give my kids a simplified way to easily apply it to their own prayers. So we're starting off by creating the bread, which is the very first part of a sandwich. It's going to represent praising God as the way to start your prayers. Next up is the lettuce, which is the part where you ask for your requests and that God's will be done in them. Now we're going to make some ham, and this is when we ask for God to provide for our needs.
Because nobody puts syrup on a sandwich.
Oh, well, no one's going to see that part.
Exactly, you should show that part, because that's the most satisfying part. It's the part that makes it not seem like a sandwich. Come on, Mother. Why do you keep doing the lines? That makes it look bad.
What else am I going to... No, what... There's a reason I don't do that. It overflows.
Exactly. And you have overflowing ham.
Then you have flowers, not ham bones. Am I filming this? Oh, yeah, I am. Okay, it's cheese time, and we're asking God now to forgive us of our sins. But my cheese here really bothered my daughter because I made Swiss cheese orange, and Swiss cheese is usually white, so that really bothered her. So we really had a good laugh about that. The tomato is up next, and we now make sure to forgive others. It's the onion's turn now, and it's the part where we ask God to help us not to sin. Sandwiches always end with bread, and the Lord's Prayer ends with praise, which is how we started our prayer. A printable on my blog that I created as a visual for my kids to easily remember the pattern of the Lord's Prayer. So head on over there and print it out yourself. And thanks for watching.